where you want to focus is you want to be able to say, because of the fact that you said blank, based on my experience, I'd like to recommend blank. Now, the key principles of all of this are, we're saying because of the fact that they said, okay? So we are slowing down and we're listening to what they're saying. And then you're able to say, based on my experience, I'd like to recommend blank. Now, you're going to think I'm crazy here, but hold off as much as you can bragging about your experience, because when they find out about it organically, to which they'll often say, well, when you say your experience, what have you done in the past? Oh yeah, I've worked with, oh my gosh, you've worked with blah, blah. Of course, yeah, I've worked with them for over 10 years. When you're cool, calm, and collected about your background, it carries so much more weight. Unfortunately, we get that reversed because our ego gets involved and our adrenaline starts pumping, and we think that we need to start every conversation, every meeting, every presentation with, let me tell you about me. Now, if you took that into the dating world and we're like, what if somebody started a lunch date, a dinner date, some friends that recommended you get together with, let me tell you about me, that would not be good dating advice. It's not good sales advice either. So here's the other thing I need you to remember. You will get plenty of opportunities to brag about yourself. Let's wait just a little bit and temper that, because when they figure that out all by themselves, it carries so much more weight. And I'm going to add one more thing to this too. When people talk about things that you have a common interest or commonality with, the more you can resist saying, I did that, I'm part of that, yada, 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 the more impact it's going to have when they find out about it organically, if they even find out about it organically. We want to keep the conversation focused on them. Like, for example, I love jujitsu, okay? If somebody started talking about jujitsu with me, I would personally, with my sales experience, resist the urge to say, yeah, I'm a black belt in jujitsu. Wait for them. Maybe throw some little terms out there. Like, well, how'd you know the term Kimura? Oh, I've been doing jiu-jitsu for 16 years. Really? What belt are you? Black belt, right? Be cool, calm, and collected. The more we brag about ourselves, the more the conversation is off the prospect and the less of an impact that it has when they figure it out all by themselves. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend, because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here, or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.